Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove device from Google Find My Device. So the first thing you want to do is go into your device settings. So we have an Android phone right over here. So go into settings, and then from here what you want to do is scroll down until you find the Google. As you can see here it is. Tap on this Google here, and then under Google services you want to select your account. For me it's this account I am right now, and then if you scroll down you will see this option here. As you can see, find my device. So just simply tap on it and this will open up this page which says find my device, and then use find my device. Over here, if you don't want to use it anymore, so if you want to remove your device from Google Find My Device, simply toggle this off, tap on it, and then you have to give your password or the fingerprint confirmation you will have to essentially, and after that this toggle is turned off and you have successfully done it. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to remove device from Google Find My Device. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.